Alright, so this is my first YouTube video. It's going to be basically just painting a hood and a bumper pad for a GMC 2008. Yeah, it's 2008 GMC 2500, just white. But it's going to be my first video. We're going to see what it looks like. If you see anything that I need to do different or that I should be doing or I shouldn't be doing, leave a comment. I'm learning here. This is a learning curve for me. So hopefully you'll enjoy the video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. That's what I'm supposed to say, right? Yes. Be my first subscriber. You can do it. Alright, so I gotta go to the paint store and get some paint for these parts I'm gonna paint today. This GMC. Paint code on the put in the GAU shop line. It's a single stage. It's a white. This is the paint code. It's a WA 8624. It is going white. I'll be using this sealer. It's a PPG sealer. Alright, we're going to be painting, jamming the bottom side on a flip stand and painting the outside of this hood for a 2008 GMC. And this is the bumper pad. Alright, I got that thing wiped down. I'm going to put my paint suit on, my respirator on, get it tacked off, get some footage of me spraying that thing. As you can see, I got the sealer on. It's flashed off. There's no sheen to it. ready for the, it's been about 15 minutes, so we are ready for put the single stage on. Let me get the camera set up, see if we can get some footage of me spraying first, go to single stage. Alright, so you saw the bug. I guess it's getting to be springtime. So what you gotta do when you get a bug in there, you need to get him out as fast as you can. Let me flip it around here. So you really can't see where I got him out of, but I picked him out right about there. There he is. And the way you pick him out, you get you a piece of tape and you just stick the tape to him, and don't stick it to the hood or to the wet paint. And you get that thing and you just stick it to him and you pull him out. Got him all out. No legs, no wings, no nothing. There's a little bit where he crawled around. You can see him doing the backstroke. There's that spot. You can see it there. He was doing the backstroke in the hood. But we got him out. I'm gonna stick him right there. I'll let him dry because he's got single stage on him. He'll be Jurassic Park here in a little bit. So I'm gonna put another coat. I've got 2 coats on. It looks good, but it's got that spot now. I'm gonna let this flash off and put another coat on. So I will come back to do that. Alright, so I got the third coat on. Let me turn this fan off. Alright, so I got the third coat on. Looks good. I got the bug spot cleaned up pretty well. Let me turn it around so you can get a look at it. It's single stage lays out pretty nice, guys. Normally you could just get away with two coats. You can see where he was. It's pretty smooth now. Got that laid down, got the bumper piece painted. Get this thing delivered to the customer so they can put it back on the truck and get the customer back on the road. Alright guys, I got the single stage on there. It looks really good. I'm gonna get this suit off, this respirator off. One thing you guys are going to want to do when you buy the respirator, it comes in a little bag. You want to always keep it in the bag when you're not using it, because the active ingredient in these respirators is actually charcoal. It's what takes the isocyanates and all the bad stuff out. This little white thing here is just a pre-filter, knocks down dust, but the meat and potatoes is inside here. It's charcoal, and as you know, charcoal has a lifespan. So once it absorbs a certain amount of bad stuff, it stops absorbing. So at that point, this is just a dust mask. So I'm not sure the exact hours or timeline it's supposed to be doing, but whenever I'm not using it, I keep it sealed in a bag, so it's just not pulling bad stuff out of the air and using up my minutes on my respirator. Alright guys, thanks for watching my first YouTube video. I hope you liked it. If you did, hit the like button, and if it's some content that you might want to watch, subscribe. I'm going to be trying to upload some more content, basically of the same type stuff, some repairing some vehicles. We do a lot of race cars, spec Miata, stuff like that. So hopefully it's something you might enjoy. Thanks again. See ya.